Welcome. Take a deep breath with me. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Let go of any worries. Just for now, this moment is yours. A fresh start. May your day be filled with peace and quiet joy. You are exactly where you need to be. Welcome to this morning meditation. This is your moment to slow down. Breathe deeply and begin your day with peace and clarity. Find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and exhale gently. As you breathe, feel the air moving through your body, refreshing and awakening you. Your chest rises and falls effortlessly. With each inhale, you invite calm. With each exhale, you release tension. Imagine the morning sunlight gently touching your skin. Warm and golden, the world is quiet, still, and filled with new possibilities. Today, you don't need to rush, you don't need to control everything. Simply breathe. Allow your thoughts to soften, like clouds drifting across a clear blue sky. In this moment, all is well. Repeat silently after me. I'm grounded. I'm peaceful. I'm ready for a beautiful day. Feel your energy lift, calm yet strong, soft yet focused. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this peace with you into everything you do today. You are calm. You are centered. You are ready. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Thank you for meditating with me today. If this brought you peace, subscribe for more moments of calm. Wishing you a beautiful, mindful day ahead.